Hi guys, today we are playing Arrow Jump and I'm going to show you a secret, kind of like a tip or something, but it's a real secret in this special delivery party / adventure. And so yeah, and now I hope so, I'm probably not getting a friend, that's not likely, but to deliver some while we're here. And while we find it. Ridiculously, I'm going to go find it. I could be either way. Let's go this way for once. I think it's the other way though. I don't remember which way it was. I think it's going to be this way to be honest. Maybe this way because I always go this way first. Okay, I also put on music so it can be more and less stressful. Sometimes it gets stressful trying to find deliverers and stuff. Cut it delivery. It's 3 batches. All you have to do is 3 batches though. That's how many batches in all. I gotta have one a few times. And I make gifts. So I hope you enjoy. Let me go talk to my friends. Hey, you wanna play the middle game and help me in a video? And help me show them the secret? And help me show them the secret? Do you want them? Help me show my friends the secret? I'm watching something. Okay, he's not. He said no. Maybe another time he'll do it. Let's do this. Ooh, a mailbox. Had to do a little bit of singing. If you want how to train a dragon news videos, I recommend typing HTT. Okay, HT. So start over with that. HTTYD. And typing that on YouTube. I recommend doing it all capital. Because then that should pop up a lot of videos with how to train a dragon music videos. Music and how to train a dragon. One of my favorites is, it's really hard to find under that, but it's Toothless the Monster. Or not, no, it's not Toothless the Monster. I added Adam. I have another channel. I use it for my playlist. I use my other channel for my playlist, my Skillet playlist. I like Skillet. Particularly do something. And so maybe that's why, ooh, a gift. I have to deliver this really quick and get the gifts. And my chance. Somewhere around here. No, somewhere around here.
Alright, go sit down, please.
Go sit down. I don't remember exactly where it is, though. I'll go back for those. I like to deliver on the way. Wait, she's helping us with the secret. Let's go find her. Go find that girl that asked the secret. I'll get that later. I have to go. She's somewhere around here. Yes, it's right here. So this is a secret right here. This is a secret, and then you have to have 2 jammers jump on this. And if you go to this one, you would also get something for it. Let me go over that. You're going to press the hop button, then you need to press the hop. No, I pressed the wrong button. I accidentally clicked. Technically, I'm going to ask a friend. Then I'm going to go talk to people and tell people to hop on this with me. Because my friend didn't want to help me with it. Let me fix this. Let me get on the right. Okay, that looks pretty good. Yep. Technically, we're going to do that, and then you want to hop on it. The 2 numbers must be hopping. And you technically need to hop. See, the other gem was helping me. So you just go through there, the gate will open, and then you go down this one side because there's no thing you need to deliver here.
So I'm going to hold on.
Jackie, we got started in this bucket, bro.
Let me just go down the slide. You need to go down the slide and you'll get something.
No, I don't.
And maybe it's glitching again. Now you just want to go slide down the slide. Want to make sure you're sitting. Like not exactly the sit command, but when it's sitting you and you're going down. Do get on the right. And then you want to click this box right here with the paw. Click the paw. Like that to do deliver. And then you get treasure. Let's see what we get today. Ooh, that's fun. Let me see if it's let me see if it's non. It is a non-ocean animal one. No, it is. That's the ocean animal one. I had that already. That face. But don't worry, you can get. I got a heart rocket before. I'll show you the items I got from there. Now I'm trying to show you items that I got from there. This non-member little top thing. I got this. And let me go find the murder stuff that I got. Let me show my heart rocket off. I got this there. Let me go. Did I get any more stuff? Let me look. If I find any more stuff that I got. Another random stuff that I got. Another person got a turkey hat from it. One of my friends did. He got a turkey hat from it. Of course, I sold it to him because I need another gem without me. You know, the first time I got it. And I first time opening it, I got a heart rocket. And I made a funny thing with this. I was trying to role player to do what I got. He stopped playing.
Guys, you have a minute left on the computer.
Stop! Let me go find my flower crown and put that back on. I think I'll keep the heart rocket on.
This isn't the playground.
I got that my first time. You may have to edit the adventure and find another jammer to help you. Or your friends to do it again until you get the items. Some good stuff.
Stop.
Let me do this. And then you can go down and keep delivering. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial and I hope it's helpful. Hope
Guys,
you
you have
enjoyed.
40 seconds left on the computer.
Thanks
40 seconds left on the computer.
What?
40 seconds left on the computer.
Sorry about my teacher. Thanks for watching.
40 seconds left.
Guys.
40 seconds
I'm filming
left.
at a school, by the
You hear
way.
me?
Bye, guys.
Oh, good.
40 seconds left.
Yeah.
40 seconds.